Okay. Good morning, everybody. Particularly Nikhil sir now here with me, and all the friends who have been watching and encouraging me. I've collected those all young boys and girls who have appreciated me, encouraged me in doing this. Some of them are Yogesh from Nogachia, Upender Chaube from Dehri Onson. Thank you. Raman Rajan, Roshan Dwivedi from Katihar, Sanjeev Mishra, Rajkumar Singh. You have bestowed me a bouquet on name, it's very nice. Sanjeev Kumar, Shri Om Singh Rajput, Rajesh Kumar, Divakar Singh, Gaurav Pandey, Ravi Ranjan Pandey, Manish Raj, Suman Rumta, Sunil Kumar, Jayan Singh Rajput, Pintu, Rupam Keshri, Khushbu Singh, Priya Soni, Sania Rider, and many friends. I am paying you all thanks. Keep watching and suggest me if I find those all suggestions worth mentioning. I should be doing it. So welcome to Lingua Center with the real English. I have come here. GOs are talking to you. Today I have some phrasal expressions, idioms. Phrasal expression, I mean phrases and idioms. These all are very particular for you, related to some animals. I shall bring you something special daily to you. Possible that some of them or some of those phrases, idioms are known to you, yet you will be getting something. So now see here, idioms or phrases. Idioms and phrases are usually not complete sentences, while proverbs are complete sentences. These all can be a part of sentence, and possible that idioms and phrases are having some hidden meaning. The meaning is not so apparent. While in proverbs, a person shares his or her personal opinion too. That's why they say proverbs are the shortest sentences of longest experience. But in phrases and idioms, there is nothing like this. So today I am talking to you regarding phrases and idioms related to animals, like cry wolf. You see here, cry wolf. This is quite known to you. A story you might have heard. There was a boy who falsely crying out and disturbing the people, saying that wolf has come, wolf has come. People were coming and they were hoodwinked by their boy. One day when the wolf really came and hurt the boy, none came to save him, because actually he was having falsehood in his career, in his character, so people did not believe in him. So that he cried wolf. It meant to deceive something, to ask for help when none is needed. Next is curiosity killed the cat. Killed the cat, meaning thereby haste makes waste. In Hindi we also say जल्दी का काम शैतान का, जल्दी का सिंदूर कनपट्टी में ही. So this is usually said locally. People say locally this curiosity killed the cat. So you should not be as curious as that may spoil your planning. So this is wrong. Dark horse. Next, idiom is coming, dark horse. Horse You see here now, hidden meaning is here. I mean hidden person. The person who comes from the back side. The person you are not expecting and someone has come. So that is said to be a dark horse. Although dark horse is also supposed to be something wrong person who comes and disturbs you, and he comes when not needed, unexpected. So that is said to be dark horse. A surprise candidate like. Dead as dodo. Dodo is a bird and not is, was a bird in Mauritius, now extinct. So as the dead as dodo means totally dead, not available. Totally dead, not available. That's why it is dead as dodo. Totally dead. Now, dog eat dog. So dog eat dog, you see that this is an idiom, meaning thereby intensely competitive. If a person is really competitive, there is no problem at all. I do say in the classes that we should be competitive to each other, that may bring some good fruits for others. But when we are rival to each other, that brings nothing. So we should not have rivalry, we should have competition. But dog eat dog means intensely competitive. So it's not needed, but someone is intentionally doing it. So it is the idiom is dog eat dog. Train the lizard. It means to urinate. You see, train the lizard. To urinate. Now just you see idiom urinate. Now early bird, this is known to you. A person who gets up early in the morning said to be early bird. Sentence: early birds pick up more worms. I mean they get more benefit. Next word is idiom is eat crow. To admit something was wrong. Sentence: at last he ate crow. I mean he admitted the fact that he was wrong. Elephant in the room. You see the word is now coming. Idiom is coming. Elephant in the room. Elephant in the room is a major problem, big problem. Like this corona has brought elephant in the room of India. It means the major problem, we are facing major problem. Everything has been devastated. We find everything in dilapidated condition. None is at ease, everyone is at restless. Everyone is restless. So you see here, this is elephant in the room. And the word every dog has a day. This is known to you. Every dog has a day means everyone gets an opportunity to do something. So every dog has a day, somewhere its day or his day written. It means everyone gets opportunity. Everyone has a moment of him. Everyone should wait. God brings opportunity for everyone. Opportunity knocks the door of everyone. We should wait and avail it. You see, next is when pigs fly. You see, when pigs fly. When pigs fly, something that will never happen. Like we say, in Hindi we say, na wo man hoga, na Radha nachegi. So you see, he will do the work when the pigs fly. You see, unexpected. How can pigs fly? So this is idiom, when pigs fly, he will do this. The person will come to do everything for us when the pigs fly. the thing which is not possible. That will never happen. And now see next is, let the cat be out of the bag. It means to reveal the secret. Very simple this is. Now the time has come. Government should let the cat be out. Let the cat be out of the bag. I mean, government should reveal everything, or the person should reveal everything. Let the people set what is to be done next. And they see here to kill two birds with one stone. So this is known to everyone. We might have studied, you might have studied it earlier. We should try to do two things at the same time. So try to get double benefit like this all. So to kill two birds with one stone, to solve two problems at the same time. Another is coming. These all idioms and phrases are related to some animals like white elephant. Earlier, Kashmir was proving white elephant for India. Still, earlier Indian governments were not paying any attention, but this ongoing government paid attention and now has finished the problem. I mean, white elephant is very expensive, very costly. And last one is eagle-eyed. He has eagle eye, or he is eagle-eyed. Then this is adjective. It means having sharp vision. So eagle-eyed is used as an adjective, having sharp vision. So a few phrases and idioms I have brought for this 10 minutes class. Now next day I'll be doing, and this time of online class will be in increasing order. Nowadays I'm coming here for 10 minutes. It will increase for 15, 20 like this. So when you are having curiosity in watching me, and if you get benefit out of this class, I'll be doing something more. In the beginning, nowadays I am doing, or I am working on phrases, words and some these all the things. I'll also come with pronunciation. I'll bring some words having peculiar pronunciation. I mean, they are written in different way and spoken in different way. Many people mispronounce. So those I'll come next day. Today only this is all about. So now thanking you all, thanking you watching me. See you tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Thanks.